Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 21 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to import our Revit model to Twinmotion, and then we started adding all the grass, trees, and materials. Now we're gonna continue working on this. First, I want to add in the spotlight, so I'm gonna add this, and then we want to make sure that those spotlight, we have color temperature. I want it to be warmer, so around 3000, so just estimate it around 3000, and then the intensity to be 10 only, because once we add it, or once we render this, you will see that 3000 is too much. So here I'm gonna put it every 4000. I believe 4 of them are needed, and then we could just add one more. So 4 and then 1. So that's good enough. And then we need to copy this one, add it on the other side. And then we could add 4 and then 1 more. And then lastly, we need to add 1 more. That's for this part here, right here. There we go. So that looks good right there. And then we need to add spotlight again here. And then do the intensity again to 10. And then around 3000 for the color temperature. This is around 1 meter, and then we need 3 more. Then we could just hold shift, add another 3 here, but push it a little bit forward. And then select this one, because we just need to add something right here on the side. And then that's 3 more as well. We could copy this and then hold on shift and pull it up and push it back. I could just delete this and then add 1 more right here, and then add, hold on shift here, and then 1 and then 3 here. Select that, hold on shift, 1 meter, and then 3 more. So we added all the lights that we needed. And then let's click on ambient. In the rendering, you want to make sure path tracer is turned on, but you can just leave it for now. And then for the lumen, you need to turn that on as well. So give it some time. So you want to make sure that you put low first on the rendering, and then we could just click here first as we don't need it. But the lumen, you can turn it on already. You want to make sure to save it so that everything is good once you're rendering. Because there's a big chance of it crashing, especially when you're doing some rendering. So now we have the lights. We do a sample, but it's the smallest, so the lowest rendering, to see how it looks. What we can do is, for the environment, we want to change this one. So something like this. Okay. And then if everything is good, then you could also, I want to add curtain here. So I have my user library, and then I have some curtains here that I could add. I'm gonna use this curtain right here, and I want to fix the pivot or the widget for this. And then now we could just put 90 degrees, 180 degrees for that. And then we need to place it on this. I think for the height is good enough. I think that's good enough there. And then I'm going to copy it for the top. just want to push this one. For some reason the bed got shifted. And then add it here as well. Hold on shift before you move it. That looks good right there. And then we could go to media and then start clicking. So for this one, I want to do like this view right here, front view, and then go to other view, and then this view as well. And then we could do a view like this. I want to add maybe a 3 for design. I'm gonna click it first, and then we could zoom it to focal length, something like that, and then move this. So refresh it, and then move it a little bit. I think that's good enough, like that. Okay, so we could just refresh this, and then at least this one is done as well. So I'm just centering it again, and then you want to make sure that you change it to high, and then this one as well, turn it on and then put it to high. want to see the focal length. I think this one is good. Let's change the focal length here. And then turn it on. And put it in high. And then this one as well. Okay, that's perfect. And put it in high. And then refresh it. And then we could quit media mode, because we are going to create the video now. So from here we could start selecting that, going forward, seven seconds. Then let's go on this side. I want to zoom it a little bit and then create another keyframe. After that, let's do this. I'm gonna put 6 seconds. And then another keyframe going down. Seconds. Another keyframe going in 4 seconds. And then here going up. So I put that at 4 seconds as well. And then we can do now is going out. Six seconds for that. And then here six seconds as well. And then lastly on this side. Six seconds. And then what you need to do is you need to duplicate this, rename it show real, and then the other one rename it as shorts, and then for this one you need to change this to 700 and then this one to 1000. There we go. And go to export, click on image, select all, and then here select all as well. Save it first before you click export, and then you're done. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.